Hi Dressy Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to be drawing a unicorn inspired by Squishmallows. And yes, I have one right here to show you before we start drawing. This right here, her name is Eileen. And not only do I have Eileen to show you, I have a purple one and her name is Sylvia. And then I also have a gray one and her name is Teresa. These are the newest unicorns from Squishmallows. Right here, let's show all three. And they're just so soft and sweet as always from Squishmallows. And the back right here, that was the mane and the tail. And just a little side note, if you've been following me, you know I'm giving all three away. So definitely check out the video right here at the top. If you want to still enter, there's still time, and definitely enter because I'm just so excited to be able to do this giveaway for you cuties. And so I hope you also love this drawing and it inspires you to draw it too. So get your Sharpie or your pencil ready and your piece of paper and let's get started. To draw this unicorn, let's first start by drawing the horn. So I'm going to come right here and draw a curve. So this is the bottom of our horn. And I'm going to use this curve, come to the center, go straight up. I'll say about this much. I'm going to round off this tip right here and come right back down to connect. From there, I'm just going to come in here and just draw some curves for some details on this horn and to give it some dimension. Then from there, let's start to draw the Squishmallow shape. So let's say about right here, I'll start on both sides. And if you're using a pencil, definitely please draw the outside shape first before you put in this horn. So it makes it a little bit easier. But let's imagine this drawing a curve right here. Come out, so right there, nice big curve. Okay, so now we're just going to go ahead and draw our Squishmallow shape, which is kind of like my usual dumpling shape, but just longer. Okay, so I'm just going to bring this all the way down. About right here, I'm going to start to round it in. About right there. And then I'm just going to go ahead and connect it at the bottom with a soft curve. There, something like that. It's basic shape. Okay, so now that we have that, let's come right here in the center area, kind of about in this area. Don't go too low because we still have a curve that we need to draw under. So kind of in the center, I'm just going to start about right here and draw a curve for an oval. This is kind of where the nose and mouth area is for our unicorn. So I'm just going to go ahead and draw an oval right here. And then inside, I'm going to come in here with two ovals. They're vertical this time. There. And you know what, I'm going to shade this in black. And then the eyes. So come right on top of this where you started your oval. About right here, come out, and I'm going to give myself a point and I'm going to start the eye. So it's a little bit straighter and then it curves up. So that's your goal. So same thing on this side, a little bit straighter and then going up. Then I'm just going to come in here and thicken this all up. And then the lashes. There's 3 of them, so I'm going to come to the edge right here, draw the first one, curve, another one, and a smaller one, the shortest one right here. And once again, I'm just going to come in here and thicken everything up. And same thing here. So let's thicken this. And the lashes, so about right here. Okay, so finally we have the eyes in. This one a little bit longer. Okay, so then now let's come back here and draw the mane. So come around this horn right here, come draw a curve, give a little strand that comes out, pop it back in, and then we have one right here that's going to be really close to the nose and go right back up. So about right here. It's easier on my hand to come down, so I'll just go ahead and connect it. And then let's draw some lines through this for the different colors. About right here, I'm just going to come in here, finish that off, and one more. Tuck it right in there. Okay, so then now the ears. So come to this edge side right here, but in this area, and we're going to pop out curve that comes out, round off the edge, and come right back in. And we're going to give it a little edge right here, so just a curve, and then taper it in. So same thing on the other side. Right there. And about here. Okay, so same thing. We're going to go out with a curve, come out, so about right here, round off the edge, and bring it in. And taper in this curve right there. And that is pretty much it, except we have this big curve right here, right, for the tummy area. So I'm going to come about right here and here, centering it. And let's go ahead and draw a big curve. So it's going to get highest in the center area and come right back down. It's like a big oval. And of course, I'm going to add a heart right here to make it my Squishmallow unicorn. It's also cute Squishmallow unicorn, right? So they're all done. I really hope you love this drawing of this cute unicorn from Squishmallows, and that, like I said, I hope I made it fun and easy for you to follow along with me. But before I go, I just wanted to have a little side note to tell you that I am doing a giveaway for all three of these Squishmallows here. So definitely click on the link above if you want to enter. There's still time right now. Not too much longer, but maybe a couple more weeks. And I will be announcing the winner. So definitely make sure you're subscribed and that your notification bell is turned on so you'll know when I announce the winners. So thanks so much for watching, cuties, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.